whatever will move Ghana forward, that's what I will do. That's why I left my lucrative practice in the United States to come back to Ghana, to offer my service to the nation that I was put in by God. I didn't choose to be born in Ghana. I was born in Ghana, which means God wants me to do something for this nation. And so, in all these areas, I'm working for God.
Yes.
Well, some elements in the party were obviously in the know and encouraged me to go ahead with it. Others were not. But the proper thing, because, you know, when the president was forming his government, appointing people, names were bundled here and there. I waited for the confirmation. So I'm now going to call a meeting of the standing committee of the party. That's the day-to-day administrative body of the party, and inform them of what the offer is and what I'm going to be doing and how it may or may not impact on the party. If we were going to do a party-to-party alliance, then of course the party would have been involved in formulating its position vis-a-vis the MPP administration or manifesto. But this is not a party-to-party alliance. This is the president looking at me as an individual and saying, I want you to do some things for Ghana on my watch as president. I'm sure anybody called upon by the sitting president to do anything for Ghana, he didn't say, come and work for MPP. He said, come and be an ambassador of Ghana. I think it's an honor, and I thank him very much.
So for those who are pushing for some sanctions for just joining the NPP in government, in quotes, what do you have to say to them? First,
they misunderstand the role that I'm going to play. Secondly, I will give them the chance and appear at the meeting that we will do. And after I have told the meeting what the position is, and they have had the chance to deliberate, I'm sure that I'll be vindicated.